L. Prepaid expenses are future expenses that are paid in advance. On the balance sheet, prepaid expenses are first recorded as an asset. After the benefits of the assets are realized over time, the amount is then recorded as an expense. Ito ay mga gastusin sa hinaharap na binabayaran ng maaga. Unang naire-record sa balance sheet ang prepaid expense bilang asset. Matapos na magamit o maubos ang asset, ito ay ilalagay na bilang expense sa income statement. 2. Liabilities. Debts or obligations owed by the company to the creditor, payable in money, goods or services. Utang o obligasyon ng kumpanya na dapat bayaran ng pera, kalakal o serbisyo sa itinakdang oras. Liabilities accounts are A. Accounts payable. Amount owed to a creditor for delivered goods or completed services. Ang halagang inutang ng kumpanya sa creditor para sa mga baniling kalakal o serbisyo. B. Accrued expense. An accrued expense, also known as accrued liabilities, is an accounting term that refers to an expense that is recognized on the books when incurred, not necessarily when they are paid. And they become a company's liabilities for cash payments in the future. Ang accrued expense ay tinatawag ding accrued liabilities. Ito ay naire-record na sa libro, under balance sheet account, bago pa man bayaran. Ito ay kikilalaning expense sa oras na ito ay mabayaran. C. Notes payable. Collective term for written promissory notes that are due in less than 1 year. Utang o pananagutan ng kumpanya na may kasamang promissory note na dapat bayaran sa loob ng 1 taon o mas mababa pa. D. Unearned revenue is money received from a customer for work that has not yet been performed. It is essentially a prepayment for goods or services that will be delivered at a later date. Ito ay perang natanggap mula sa customer para sa service na hindi pa nagagawa o produktong hindi pa naihahatid. Itinuturing itong isang prepayment para sa mga products o service na ihahatid sa ibang araw. E. Mortgage payable. It is the liability of a property owner to pay a loan that is secured by property. From the perspective of the borrower, the mortgage is considered a long-term liability. Ito ay utang o pananagutan ng kumpanya sa loob ng mahigit 1 taon na may kasamang collateral. 3. Capital proprietorship equity. A. Capital means the assets and cash in a business. Capital may either be cash, machinery, tools, or building. Capital may also reflect the capital gained in a business or the assets of the owner in a company. Ito ay ang investment sa negosyo ng may-ari, gaya ng cash, machines, kagamitan, building at iba pa. B. Drawing. A drawing in accounting terms includes any money that is taken from the business account for personal use. Anumang halaga ng pera na kinuha mula sa account ng kumpanya para sa personal na paggamit. 4A. Expenses. An expense is the cost of operations that a company incurs to generate revenue. Examples are rent expense, office supplies, salary and others. Ang expenses ay ang mga gastos sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo para magkaroon ng kita. Halimbawa nito ay ang gastos sa renta, sweldo ng manggagawa, mga gamit sa opisina, bill sa kuryente, at iba pa. B. Bad debt. All or portion of an account receivable or note receivable considered to be uncollectible. Lahat o kahit bahagi man ng isang account receivable o notes receivable na hindi na makokolekta. C. Depreciation is an accounting method of allocating the cost of a tangible or physical asset over its useful life or life expectancy. Depreciation represents how much of an asset's value has been used up. Ito ay isang paraan ng accounting ng paglalaan ng gastos ng fixed assets sa ginagawa nitong service o useful life. Ang depreciation expense ay ang katumbas na halaga ng asset na nagamit na. 5. Revenues. Sales of products, merchandise, and services, and earnings from interest, fee, dividends, rents and others. Ito ay ang benta ng mga produkto, paninda, serbisyo, at mga kita, mula sa interest, dividend, pagpaparenta at iba pa.